Good morning, my friend. This seems to be a misophobic bird of paradise, working hard for his wedding room. He polishes his sleeping branch until it gleams like polished wood, then proceeds to sweep his entire garden spotless. No green leaves, no yellow petals, not even a single insignificant root escapes his cleaning frenzy. Even the tiniest fallen leaf is whisked away with utmost precision. Once everything is pristine, he adorns his cleaned haven with freshly picked red berries, creating a picture-perfect courtship display. He patiently waits for his first suitor of the day. Soon enough, a female bird arrives, drawn in by his impeccable garden. The music starts and the dance begins. He moves with a captivating blend of passion and shyness, a fiery spirit veiled with subtle restraint. His performance is impressive, but ultimately fails to win her heart. Undeterred, he decides to switch up his style, having learned from previous failed attempts at love. He pours all his effort into creating a new routine, hoping this time will be different. His single-minded pursuit of love borders on obsessive. Every rejection fuels his determination, pushing him further down the rabbit hole. His dance becomes more frantic. His movements increasingly desperate. He analyzes his mistakes, refines his technique, and choreographs a brand new dance. A glimmer of hope appears as another female bird arrives, captivated by his renewed efforts. This time, he starts with a graceful bow, displaying his gentlemanly side before launching into his intricate routine. His performance is captivating. She watches with rapt attention. Seizing the moment, he closes in for a passionate embrace, expressing his heartfelt desires. But alas, love is fickle and unpredictable. Like autumn leaves, it changes color and falls away.